2020 was surprisingly a great year for the housing market, but will that trend continue? With a flooded market, houses possibly dropping in prices, and mortgage rates possibly rising, we don't think that it will. Hey everyone, I'm Connor with Mark Buys Houses, and we'll be talking about what homeowners need to know about selling their Birmingham homes in 2021. As 2020 moved forward and the pandemic took a toll on all sectors of the economy, analysts have been paying careful attention. And while the housing market did extremely well overall, the trend is not likely to hold. All eyes are now turning towards what lies ahead during the upcoming new year. The real estate market forecast is indicating slow home price growth ahead. There are several factors at play that will influence the market, and while some of these may fluctuate slightly from the predictions, the data merits strong consideration in making your plans for the future. You will definitely want to take note of what homeowners need to know about selling their Birmingham homes in 2021. The first thing you need to know about is a flooded market. Families that would normally have been making a move upward in home size and amenities held off because of economic factors. Additionally, many went into a holding pattern, hesitant to make a move during the global pandemic. Inventory is currently low, causing houses to be in demand. However, the predictions indicate that this trend will be reversing in the upcoming months. Homeowners need to know about the soaring number of listings that are coming into the market soon, and they will all be competing against each other to sell their Birmingham homes in 2021. It is unlikely that a high number of those who fall under the Mortgage Forbearance Act guidelines will be able to begin making timely payments. The market is expected to be flooded with houses just like these. Very few can afford the luxury of time to afford holding onto a listing for an indefinite period. Additionally, for many, the financial means are simply not within the budget, should a relocation or other life-changing events be forcing a move prior to the sale of your house. Secondly, prices may drop. In addition to the increase of supply causing housing prices to level off at best, the expected growth in delinquencies may mean downward pressure on home prices, which homeowners need to know about when considering selling their Birmingham homes in 2021. Additionally, the current uptick in COVID-19 cases may affect employment rates, which may also have an impact on housing prices, which could mean the first decline in 9 years. Many sellers have been inclined to hold on to pre-COVID pricing, causing their homes to sit for longer periods on the market, which also leads to an overall lower sales price. When it comes time to set the true value of the property, take into account the annual taxes and the original investment, along with the monthly expenses and maintenance, along with the expenses involved in listing and selling a home. If a move is in your future, it may not be wise to delay. Thirdly, mortgage rates may rise. Homeowners also need to know about economists that are predicting a rise in mortgage rates selling their Birmingham homes in 2021. The Fed, or the Federal Reserve, is the largest single buyer of mortgage-backed securities. The Fed will likely keep short rates lower. However, this will likely not hold true for some longer-term treasuries or mortgages. While they're not directly involved in setting the current mortgage rates, their policies indirectly affect these rates. Their purchases of mortgages have slowed as the year comes to an end. The amount they purchase as the new year begins will depend upon the COVID vaccine and the effectiveness in normalizing the economy. In addition to the Fed, new banking capital requirements coming into effect in 2021 will likely cause the rates to rise as well. The fourth is equity. There's no time like the present. As delinquencies rise, homeowners need to know that the value of their property will change very little towards the positive over the coming year if they are thinking about selling their Birmingham homes in 2021. Moving forward with a sale now will mean little to no less equity loss as compared to holding the property for another year or two. Should the prediction of dropping property values and rising mortgage rates come to fruition, you could actually see a loss of equity by holding onto your property past the end of the year. Additionally, with mortgage rates expected to climb, there will be yet another influence pushing buyers to make lower offers as the year progresses. Some homeowners may become financially upside down in their property, having more money invested than they will ever see come back through a sale without the real estate peak market. If you're planning on selling your Birmingham home in 2021, you need to be ahead of the curve by selling now. Homeowners need to know that prices will likely drop, mortgage rates may rise, and the market will likely be flooded with distressed properties. If you need to sell your house fast, Mark Buys Houses might be able to help you. With extremely quick closing timelines, we make the process easy and much less stressful overall. We welcome you to click on our website link in the description below, fill out a form, and we will get back to you soon. Or you can call us today at 205-478-3284 to save yourself time, frustration, and most importantly, money. Learn more about what we can offer by reaching out to our team today.